Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix Apple gift card not working. So for example, when you go to your account right here and you try to redeem your gift card right here, as you can see, you can redeem your gift card by using camera, or you can also enter it manually. So I would suggest to choose to enter this code manually. And for example, I will write and click redeem, and also there's a sign-in required, but basically if it doesn't work, it may just basically check if you have entered the code well, and if it's correct. And if that doesn't work, you also have to go to your settings, then click on general, click language and region, and basically if you purchased for example, United States based gift card, and and you are, for example, located in United Kingdom, like you can see right here, then there's no way you can use the gift card in another region, like UK, for example. So make sure you have purchased the gift card from your region, and if that's it should work. So it's either your region or you entered the code wrong. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.